Welcome everyone to my channel. Today I'm going to make pav bhaji. This is a bhaji recipe. Here I use oil and butter together. Heat them up. For tadka I'm using here some cumin seeds. Fry them well until the aroma come out. Stir. And now I'm gonna use some onion. Stir them. Then I'm gonna add some salt to it. Here is a 1 spoon or as per taste. Stir them well until it's come out tender and then little dark brown. And then I'm gonna use some garlic and then ginger paste to it. Stir them well and then fry them until the raw aroma is gone. Masala is ready now. Now I'm gonna add here some tomato and then green chilies. Stir them well until the tomato mashed. You know, the mix enough. You can cover it up at this stage if you want to. And now here I'm going to add some vegetable. Those are boiled. Here I use cauliflower, carrot and green peas and potato. I put them into a pressure cooker for about 2 whistles and then take them off. You add here and then stir fry, like stir them well. My oven here I'm going to use some turmeric powder and then cumin powder and coriander powder, green chili powder. Sorry, it's a red chili powder. Actually it's a Kashmiri green red chili powder. Stir them oil and then you mash them very well with the spatula. Make sure there is no lumps, but some people they like little bit like lumps on it or very mashed, but for me I like little bit lumps. So here some garam masala. This is my homemade. I will give you the recipe very soon. Mash them very well and then stir well. Here and then after that I'm going to use some water. Mix them very well and then stir. And then now the stove flame is medium to low. Going to add some sugar on it. Stir them well and then here it is. cooked very well. Going to add some desi ghee. It gives you very good flavor on it. This is the most important part for the desi flavor. And also don't forget to add some cilantro on it. Those my frozen cilantro. And here it is, that's already. And then sprinkle some roasted cumin seeds. So ready to eat. Thank you everyone.